Types of drivers in a Colorado snowstorm. Negligent Nathan. From Texas. Drives a Dodge Ram truck. Has never tried driving below 80 miles per hour. Puts everyone's life on the line. Native Nancy. Drives a Subaru. Born and raised in Colorado. Has a Colorado native sticker on her bumper. Drives in the passing lane causing a traffic jam. Florida Frank. Drives a minivan with bald tires from South Florida. Expired Florida license plates from 2003. Doesn't know what snow is. Recently moved to Denver. California Carly. From the San Francisco Bay Area. Drives a white Jeep with sorority letters on the back. Has off-road tires and four-wheel drive but still can't control their car.